let's jump right in. If we're graphing, we know that we are going to start with the first equation and we're going to begin at the end. So if the end is -3, then we start down 3, put a point, and then we think about how we're going to move. The M is telling us to move. That's the number in front of X. In this case, there's a -1 here. So it's -1 times X. So it's saying, remember the rise over run thing? So down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1 to get a negative slope, or you could go up 1 and left 1 to get a negative slope that way as well. And so then we have a nice little graph that looks something like this. Okay, now let's do the other one. So as we look at that, I want us to think about something important. And that's the idea of, oh, this isn't important. This is not a big deal to me. I don't care about this. Instead of thinking that way, we've got to get our brains on. I'm here to figure this out. I'm going to be engaged. I'm going to learn this. And honestly, if you're sticking with this video this far, you're probably already doing that, right? You're engaged. That's huge for success in math. All right, let's get back to it. So if we know that moving and beginning are going to help us to solve this, then let me change color. Let's do a different color. So for this one, we're going to begin at -1. And this time we have a 1 in front of the X. So we're moving up 1 and over 1, rise 1, run 1. So we can go this direction like this. And let's plot that one. It's going to end up looking like this. Okay. So yay, we graphed them. What does that mean? What is our solution? The solution to this is where these two graphs intersect. And they intersect at -1, -2. And that coordinate point is the solution to this system of equations.